Hello, this is Brandy Martin here. So I was going to show everybody. This is my Youth and Beauty soap. Some of y'all have already purchased it, and if you can tell, I've already washed my hands with it. This was one of the smaller bars. I didn't like how it turned out, but so I went ahead and kept it. And I kept this one too. Didn't like how it came out. But some of y'all have gotten the samples from me and used my Youth and Beauty. So I wanted to show you how it lathers and how good it is. So I'm going to wash my hands with it so y'all can see that when you get the bars of soap that it doesn't just fade away, or that it does last long. So let me wash my hands real quick. So if you can see, it's lathering really, really good. Now this is what you want. This is really thick. The lather is real thick and it's real soft. So this is what you want. Alright. So see, this is what everybody likes. This is how you know that it's real good. So this soap here, as you can tell, is good. So my yellow anti-aging soap will do this as well. And a lot of my other soaps. So just so everybody knows, that's what it looks like. Alright. So I want everybody to have a good day, and thank you all so much.